Good morning all, Pixel here, Probable Garage. It is way too early for me. It is 6 a.m. and on a Tuesday, and we are heading about an hour and a half up from here. By we, I mean my awesome partner is with me for this silliness. Because of course, what do I need to do on December 26th, the Tuesday after Christmas, right before I have to go back to work? I'm driving an hour and a half north so that I can buy slate chalkboards. In particular, I'm looking to buy at least two big 4x4 foot vintage slate chalkboards out of an old school because we're renovating one of our kitchens and I want slate countertops. I just think they're neat and cool, and it seems both way more cost effective and way more interesting to scavenge some old blackboards to use as my countertops. So the only time he was going to be available was this morning, so here we go. And we're nearly there. I don't know how well it came across on the time lapse, but that was a foggy drive. Unfortunately, not the stressful foggy, just the pretty sort of foggy. It's actually a really nice sort of relaxing drive where we got to not watch the sun come up, but watch the sky get light. So we're nearly this place. So I get to now buy a lot of really heavy slate. So logical, but it didn't occur to me so much so I drove past it. But we're actually buying them out of the school. So that's neat. And we're totally loaded up. You'll let us park here. And I will show you them when we get back to the house. And we're safely back home, and let me show you what I got. So, what I have here, 2 complete sheets and 1 broken sheet of 1/4 inch slate that's 48 inches by a little over 58 inches. Unfortunately, absurdly, they painted the slate chalkboards with chalkboard paint. So I am going to have to go in and sand all of that off or strip it or something. But these are nice old slate chalkboards. They're dead flat and smooth. And these are going to be our new countertops. We're going to put down, obviously, wooden hearty board to support this because this won't support itself. But these are going to make a really neat and interesting countertop. We're basically going to end up with cutting these in half, give us 2 58-inch sections. One of these and this piece would have been enough because these are longer than we thought they were 48 by 48s, but turned out to be 48 by 58s. This and this would be enough. So now that one's technically all spare, but that means that what we can also do now is we're going to do a slate backsplash and possibly a slate facing. But either way, these are going to be amazing countertops. Slate is super durable, super strong. Doesn't care if you put pots and pans on it. If you scratch it, you can just sand the scratch out. And they're meaningfully waterproof. They will absorb a little bit of water, but they don't absorb it all the way into it. And they're completely dimensionally stable. It's not like the water is going to soak in and swell it or anything. So I'm super excited. These are going to be really fun and interesting. And I have plenty here to easily do all the countertops, including a later addition that I want to do in the kitchen. So that's really cool. So I will pick this up once we're working on the kitchen. So that's going to be it for now. Thank you all very much for watching. Bye.